I'm going to show you how to quickly create a form design within Indition Forms, Contests, and Surveys. So each form needs to have a design. So let's go to our existing forms. We'll go to this form here. To get to the designs list, you click this icon. We will create a new design. Provide a name. You can enter a custom URL if desired, as well as a description. Neither are required, so we'll click Save. Once we're in the form designer, we will add our form fields from the form we have selected. The only fields that are required are the ones that actually have the required designation on them. So I can just include first name and email in this form, so I'll do that, and then the Submit button. And that is your form design. If you want to go a step further, you can customize the styling within the design to access the overall form design styling for the entire container. Click Form Styling, and that'll edit the entire form. So maybe you want to change the width to 600 pixels. As soon as you exit out of the field, we will apply the style for you, so you don't have to click Save or Apply or anything like that. To edit a row, you can click on the row here. There's row and there's elements. Click on the row, change it to a different multi-column row. You can apply all these different style characteristics to the row, and then you can also do the same to each element within the row. An added option within elements is you can hide element labels, and you can change where the label is displayed. So maybe you want to put it within the field like that. So I'll go back to above. And as soon as you add all of the required fields to your form design, the design is created and you're ready to go.